Weather Service in El Paso has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Doña County in south-central New Mexico until 10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 9:26 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over NMSU Main's campus, or near Las Cruces, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Las Cruces, Talavera, NMSU Main's campus, Cerritos, Oregon, Mesilla, Northeast Las Cruces, Picacho, San Pablo, East Mesa, Soledad. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXL 91, broadcasting from the National Weather Service office in Santa Teresa, New Mexico. This is a flood advisory for the following county, Doña New Mexico. The National Weather Service in El Paso has issued urban and Arroyo, Florida.